On November 26, 2024, at about 12:43 a.m. CHP, County Fire and CalFire responded to the Northbound 15 freeway north of Kenwood Avenue after a semi-driver advised that his semi was catching fire and was loaded with Costco appliances. Units arrived at the scene of a fully engulfed semi with a slight vegetation involvement. Firefighters were able to extinguish the fire before it reached the trailer. The driver was not injured. The right two lanes were closed while crews put out the fire.
Water half tank clogged. Okay. I'll go jump.
Go ahead.